Hey everyone, welcome to day 22 of our 30-day high-level mastery challenge where we look at one simple implementation tactics to implement in your business straight away. So today we are continuing to talk about what to sell in high level. So I want to give you a different perspective. So even during business mentoring days, I used to do this. So I come from the Sales Funnel University, alumni of ClickFunnels. So I love the concept of the sales funnels where you've got different tiers of pricing, different layers of offers. So I would think of the first level of offer is something that you do once, which is DIY model for your clients, which could be a course, it could be a PDF, it could be a webinar, something that you do once and you can sell over and over again for a very, very small ticket, or it could be your lead magnet to capture your audience. The second tier is a done with you offer. So done with you offers are typically a mid-tier pricing model where you could do a boot camp, you could do a workshop, your coaching, consulting, mentoring, all that done with you kind of offers would be your mid-tier offers. And the third one is your done for you, which is the high ticket item where you do stuff for your client, where you save them lots of money and time and energy and efforts. So I want you to think about whether you do have some businesses might feel that they can't incorporate all the three different types of offers, and that's okay. But I want you to sit down and think, is there a way that you can price and segment your offer into DIY, do it yourself, done with you, and done for you model? So that's how for people that are going to kickstart, probably a low price course or a low price webinar or a free ebook might help. So that'll help them to move from point A to point B in terms of clarity. Now, after they reach point B, they would need another offer to get them to the next stage, to help them launch, to help them grow. So that's when you do your done with you offer, where you spend considerate amount of time with them and mentor them and help them boot camp, workshop, and do things. And then after that point, they start becoming busy. So they can afford your done for you services so you can help them scale. Right. So this is how I see the roadmap for client journey. So I want you to, basically find out if you can fragment and segment your offers into these three categories. Let me know how you go. I'll see you tomorrow.